You're watching St. Louis's Newsroom. This is coverage you can count on.
Who stays at the same job for 50 years anymore? How about a nun at Cardinal Glennon Children's Medical Center in South St. Louis? This summer, both the hospital and Sister Noreen McGowan are marking their 50th anniversaries. July 6, 1956, day one of Cardinal Glennon Children's Hospital.
Frightening, and it was challenging, and it was a wonderful feeling that Cardinal Glennon has become a reality.
Sister Noreen McGowan remembers a lot from that first day, even the names.
That's Don, and that's Billy Joe, and that's Mary Frances, and that's Brenda.
Of the children she cared for that day. That's Sister Noreen in the background in the white habit. The habits may have changed over the years.
It shouldn't be too much longer, I don't think.
But her caring hasn't. She now works part-time assisting families waiting while their children are in surgery. Over her 50 years as a pediatric nurse and director of nursing, she has seen dramatic changes in healthcare.
The chemotherapy is very effective now. When in '56 we rarely saved anybody with leukemia, and now most of the children get better.
Sister Noreen has also taught nursing at St. Louis University. She has shaped the careers of other nurses, some of whom are colleagues at Cardinal Glennon.
Well, you would hear her stories in class and you think, that's what I want to do. I want to be that kind of a nurse. She always demonstrated tremendous empathy for the children and their families.
My students knew that I always worked on weekends in the emergency room or wherever they needed me. So they knew that I was at the bedside. I think that makes a difference.
The 91-year-old Catholic sister attends Mass every day at the Chapel Hospital. She may be the only person at the hospital who actually knew the man the hospital is named after.
I know he confirmed me in 1923, so...
Cardinal John Glennon, former Archbishop of St. Louis.
When I made final vows, he put that ring on my finger. Said sometimes the children think it's named after the baseball Cardinals.
Sister Noreen has a great sense of humor and a caring heart. And at age 91, she's in relatively good health. She works 5 days a week.
Well, I'd like to stay here as long as I can and stay healthy as long as I can, but I'm realistic. I know that that doesn't happen when you get into the 90s.
She's such an institution here that I don't think any of us could really imagine a Cardinal Glennon hospital, Cardinal Glennon Medical Center without Sister Noreen.
Just waiting for the Lord to take me when He's ready.
Sister Noreen also fought to get the visiting hours changed in those early years of the hospital so there would be no time restrictions for parents. She won that battle, and hospitals around the country have followed that lead. And Cardinal Glennon is set to honor her during its 50th anniversary celebration in July.
She's amazing. She knew the names of those kids
from the very first
ago.
day. Isn't that something?
Oh, that is something.